Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade buttercream icing. I'm going to be using that brand of butter. From my experience, that is the best butter. Don't know what it is about it, but I have the best of luck with that butter. So I take 2 sticks of room temperature butter and I just whisk it and I scrape the sides as I need to, and I just mix it until all the clumps are gone. And you want it to be nice, creamy butter. Then we're going to add a total of 4 cups of confectioner sugar or icing sugar, depending on what you call it. So I just add it in 1 cup at a time and mix it, scraping the bowl as I need to. Then you're going to add in some vanilla. I find that at a certain point of mixing this, the icing ends up mixing better when there's a little bit of a liquid. So I add a couple capfuls of vanilla just so it can mix better at this point. And then I add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Start off with a little bit. You can always add more, but you don't want to add too much milk because then it's going to be runny. It's not going to hold its shape. So start off with a little bit and you can always add more later, but it's going to be about 1 to 2 tablespoons. You want your icing to be pretty thick, so when you hold up your whisk or your spatula, you want it to have nice thick peaks because you want it to be able to hold its shape. We do not want runny icing. It's not going to stand on cupcakes, or when you frost a cake, it's just going to melt off. So at this point, once it's done, you can put food coloring in. I had to use pink today. And if you find the icing is too sweet for you, just add in just a pinch or 2 of some salt. It'll help cut the sweetness out. I didn't do that. I don't do that every time, but if it's just too sweet for you, that's a little hack that you can do for yourself. Okay, you guys, so this is how I make my traditional American buttercream icing. It's super easy and super simple. Very beginner friendly. Anybody can make this. It goes great on cupcakes. As you can see, it holds its shape very well. I love the color that this one ended up turning out to be. Make sure you check out the other videos in my Back to Basics playlist for all your basic baking recipe needs. And make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave any request in the comments below. Thanks. I'll see you next time.